In this video, I'm going to tell you the 5 reselling mistakes that will absolutely destroy your reselling business. Not being consistent. If you want to be great at anything, reading, math, sports, including reselling, then you're going to have to be consistent. If you list only one thing a month on eBay, I hate to break it to you, but you're not going to be quitting your day job anytime soon. All that will happen is that you'll be treading water going nowhere until you eventually lose motivation and give up. In order to have a successful reselling business, you're gonna have to be listing items weekly, if not daily, to maximize your growth and reach. Also, by listing consistently, the eBay algorithm will rank your listings higher, which will give you more sales. If you want to quit your day job, or if you just want to make good money reselling things on eBay, then you're going to have to be consistent. Buying things that won't sell. If you find something selling at a thrift store for like $1 bajillion, your first instinct will probably to buy it immediately. Just because people are selling things for a lot of money doesn't necessarily mean people are actually buying them. If I wanted to, I could list this pencil right here for $1 million. Doesn't mean it's worth $1 million. In reality, it's just probably worth like 500,000. Or maybe there's simply just no buyers for that particular item that you may be selling. So how can I tell if something I'm selling on eBay has actual buyers in the first place? By checking its sell-through rate. If you go into the eBay app and search something, then on the bottom you'll see a number of results. Then hit the filter and hit the sold items. Then divide the number of sold results with the number of current results and you'll get your sell-through rate percentage. A good rule of thumb to follow is to find things with an 80+% sell-through rate when listing on eBay, because your items will sell quickly for good money since there's a lot of buyers. If something has a sell-through rate below 30%, it's like buying airport sushi. Probably not a good idea. If you constantly buy things with terrible sell-through rates, you're never going to move any of your inventory and you'll just probably wind up donating everything you bought to a Goodwill. I don't care if you have the most successful eBay business in the whole entire world. If you don't reinvest back into your business, it's eventually going to fall flat on its face. After all, you need to spend money to make money. If you're constantly taking profits out of your business, like buying the new iPhone that you totally don't even need, then your business is gonna suffer. If you put most of your money back into your business, I guarantee that you'll be making a lot more money rather than just letting your money sit around in a corner doing nothing. The exciting part is that there's literally a million different approaches you can take to reinvest back into your business. You could reinvest the profits back into new inventory. You could buy shelving or a storage unit so you don't have to keep tripping over things in your house. And who knows, if your business gets big enough, you can start thinking about hiring employees that will just further accelerate the growth of your business. Not reinvesting will hurt your growth, your expansion, and your revenue over the long term. Not understanding profit margins. If you're gonna take away anything from this video, it should be this. Not understanding how profit margins work will absolutely obliterate your reselling business. For example, let's say you buy a stuffed animal for $1 and later you resell it for $6 on eBay. That would be about a 600% profit margin, which is pretty good, right?
Wrong.
Proved.
In this case, the amount of time, handling, and shipping expenses only for a few bucks worth of profit is totally not worth your time. If you continue buying low-cost items with only a few dollars room for profit, you're probably better off just having a minimum wage job, flipping, I don't know, hamburgers at McDonald's, rather than being a reseller. I recommend avoiding to sell anything under $15 to $20 because it's literally just not worth your time of day. Trying to resell everything. For the people saying in the comments,
if I can resell more things, then I can probably make more money.
That is true, but most of the time it isn't. To be a generalized reseller, you're gonna have to have years, if not decades, worth of experience reselling. Plus, you're gonna have to be an expert in so many different areas to be a successful, generalized reseller. In most cases, if you try and resell just anything, you're probably gonna get burned because you lack the knowledge and expertise. Most people are way better off just specializing in 1 to 2 areas, instead of buying random things they don't know anything about. By specializing in 1 to 2 areas, you're gonna know what's worth buying and what isn't. Generalizing for reselling is usually a terrible idea, especially if you wanna be doing this. Knowing these 5 reselling mistakes will help you avoid losing a lot of money in the future, as well as helping you grow your reselling business into a reselling empire. But everything I told you in this video will be totally useless if you don't know where or how to source for your own eBay store. You'll want to click on this video right here if you want to learn more about my favorite place to source for my eBay store and how you can find the best deals there.